I will see your video. Yeah, it's fucking Matteo from Paris. He's a fucking king. Gypsy Tales. Subscribe this channel. Yeah, bro.
We're on. The Euro trip starts now. How long is the flight?
23.
So we got, what do we got? 15 hours to Qatar, and then we go from Qatar, little layover, land in Paris, get the rent-a-car, get to the Airbnb, and then MotoGP Friday, MotoGP Saturday, MotoGP Sunday. To Doha. We now have another 6-hour flight to get to Paris. So yeah, well on our way. We're trying to find the rental car. So far, no luck. Oh, there you go. A bit of Manscaped.
Fucking saviour.
This entire Euro trip is brought to you by Manscaped. Join the over 4 million men around the world who wouldn't dream of leaving for a trip like this without their Lawnmower 4.0. Not only is our manscaping taken care of, but we're using their entire range of male care products as we send it through Europe. With the code GYPSYGANG at manscaped.com, you're going to get 20% off plus free shipping, and you're helping us make more dope content like this. Merci beaucoup. How do we get there? We're on the road. Are we going the right way? We don't know.
$700 millions de Chinois, et moi, avec ma vie, mon petit schéma, mon mal de tête, mon boîte au foie.
It is. Oh, look at that.
80 millions d'Indonésiens, et moi, avec ma voiture et mon chien, son canigou quand il aboie, j'y pense et puis j'oublie. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. 3 ou 400 millions de noirs, et moi, qui baise au brunissoir, au sauna pour perdre du poids. J'y pense et puis j'oublie. C'est la vie, c'est la vie. 300 millions de soviétiques, et moi, avec mes manies sémétiques, dans mon petit lit en plume d'oie.
Voila, we made it. Trying to find coffee.
We're going first bite here on the Chucky dog. So we've made it to Paris. We're on the way to Le Mans. We have, I think we have a two-hour drive until we get there. But we thought instead of staying in Le Mans where there's nothing to do, like I've done for my entire life traveling, we thought, you know what? We'll cop the 5 hours driving each day so we can stay in the center of Paris. So that's our plan. Beautiful city so far.
Fuck, is that
Look at
Hogwarts?
that.
A what?
That's Hogwarts right there. Yeah, this place is incredible. So yeah, so far so good.
I asked the lady at the survey for some like headache tablets, and she said, "A hat?" I said, "No, not a hat." So that's what.
How would you even gesture that?
That's what I'm working with.
You're like, that was easy. Don't speak French, and you're in. Well, and get to the gate. François, parlez-vous no English? no English. And then bang, straight in. Back to the old ways of sneaking into events. Just pretend you don't speak, well, we don't have to pretend we don't speak French, we don't speak French. No one spoke English. Bang, front row, straight for Pracky.
Ouais, non mais yeah.
So no lucky leg. So it's basically a Suzuki.
So the clutch only is clutch once you take off. That's it.
Really, you don't have to touch the clutch.
Don't have to touch clutch at all.
Yeah, it doesn't feel. That is so crazy.
That's to get the company.
See it on the detail.
That's the issue. You can't see it on anything.
Anything.
Not on track.
But that was Tomcat's idea. Come out.
Hey?
Good job, Tom.
There you go.
Yeah.
This is me normally.
Bang.
Whoa! I didn't know that.
Ballards, bro.
They're made in Australia or what?
Ballards.
Oh, it's okay.
We all stretch around here, eh, Billsy? We like a stretch, don't we?
Yeah, not bad, eh, Jippo?
Open them up, you reckon? Better. More flow. Yeah, better. Ragdoll! Jack decided to just fucking throw it down the road. But he's all good. We'll be back for tomorrow for quali. Turns out we need to translate all of the MotoGP podcasts into French. Big day. Big day. Finally back in our humble abode. Just in time for the world's smallest elevator. And I'm not joking. Come on, mate. In you get. This is fucked up, eh? Did you press it?
Did I press what?
Yeah.
Press it.